What if I told you that the most critical player in the global supply chain isn't China or the US? In fact, it's a nation smaller than most states. Today, we're ranking the top 20 countries shaping the world's supply chains, and number one will absolutely surprise you. This ranking is based on 5 critical factors: logistics performance, LPI 2023, global trade volume, manufacturing capacity, port infrastructure, and strategic geographic position. Each country earns its spot through a powerful combination of these elements. Let's dive in. Number 20, Sweden. Known for sustainable logistics innovation and green technologies. With a solid infrastructure score and $151 billion in exports, Sweden plays a key role in Nordic supply chains. Number 19, Hong Kong. Despite its size, Hong Kong moves over 17 million containers annually and connects to 470 global ports, a vital node for East Asian trade. Number 18, the United Arab Emirates. Dubai's Jebel Ali port moves over 15 million TEUs, making the UAE a logistics giant in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Number 17, Spain. Strategically located as a bridge between Europe and Africa, Spain exports $266 billion annually with modern Mediterranean ports. Number 16, India. India climbed 16 positions in LPI rankings, becoming the 5th largest manufacturer globally. Turnaround times at ports now beat the US and Germany. Number 15, Italy. Italy is quietly rising with $436 billion in exports and significant investment in advanced manufacturing through its Piano Transizione 4.0. Number 14, Belgium. As a gateway to Europe, Belgium exports over $250 billion annually and serves as a key distribution hub with high logistics performance. Number 13, the United Kingdom. Post-Brexit, the UK still ranks as the 10th top exporter. Domestic sourcing now covers 76% of its manufacturing input. Number 12, Canada. Canada scores high in infrastructure and exports $402 billion annually. It's crucial for North American trade. Number 11, France. Rising in LPI, France now ranks 13th worldwide and exports $505 billion. Its logistics still face customs bottlenecks. Number 10, South Korea. Ranked 4th in global manufacturing, South Korea excels in shipbuilding, electronics, and export efficiency. Number 9, Japan. With $788 billion in exports and strong tech and automotive sectors, Japan continues as a logistics and manufacturing powerhouse. Number 8, the United States. $1.8 trillion in exports, number 1 in imports, and 15% of global manufacturing, home to top ports like Los Angeles and Long Beach. Number 7, Finland. 2nd in the LPI ranking, a logistics leader in Europe with top scores in international shipments. Number 6, Denmark. Top scores in customs and infrastructure, Denmark moves $96 billion in exports and operates with precision. Number 5, Switzerland. Top 3 in LPI with high efficiency in customs and infrastructure, $301 billion in exports. Number 4, the Netherlands. Europe's logistics heart. Rotterdam Port handles 14.8 million TEUs, $460 billion in exports with fully automated terminals. Number 3, Germany. EU's largest economy, $1.4 trillion in exports, globally respected for industrial exports and top-tier logistics. Number 2, China. the world's manufacturing superpower, $2.6 trillion in exports, and home to 5 of the world's top 10 busiest ports. Before we reveal number 1, let me ask you this. Which country surprised you the most so far? Drop your opinion in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And now, number 1, Singapore. The ultimate global hub. Connected to 600 ports in 120 countries, moves over 37 million containers annually, and tops the LPI with unmatched efficiency. Do you agree or disagree with this ranking? Was number 1 a shock to you? Let us know in the comments. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe to our channel, and check out our tools and templates at supplychainxl.gumroad.com.